Welcome back to the chemistry class. Yesterday we have seen about some introduction of chemistry, what is chemistry, and some famous scientists we have seen, and some ancient type of history of chemistry also we have seen. Today we are going to discuss about importance of chemistry. What are the importance of chemistry? We know that chemistry or the science is very much important in daily life of present human life. So today we are going to discuss about some applications of chemistry. Applications of chemistry is the importance of chemistry. So first we are going to discuss about agriculture. What are the contributions of agriculture? What are the contributions have given chemistry to the field of agriculture? We know that in India, most of the population, most of the people are doing farming, right? We also have a small farming, even some vegetable gardens will be there for you. So when we are cultivating, actually we need more products, is it not? Then only we will be happy or we will get more money. Even the farmers, their main income is from these crops. So they have to get good products, then only, or huge amount of products, then only they are going to get sufficient money. So in order to get a good product, what they need good quality of soil, they have to protect their crops from insects, they have to apply some fertilizers, etc. Is it not? So in the field of agriculture, earlier we were using this manure as this cow and as manure and all, but nowadays we know that in order to have a good product, we have to check. The farmers used to check the quality of their soil. So when they are checking, they will find sometimes in the laboratory they will tell that some minerals so and so will be very less in your soil, so this should be increased. So how can we increase that one? So at that time there will be, depending on the fertilizers, chemical fertilizers. So in order to get a good products or more products, more income, what they will do, they will use for chemical fertilizers. Then another one is what pesticides they will use, and insecticides they will use, and fungicides they will use. These chemicals they are using actually in order to protect their crops from insects, fungus, and etc. Okay, so this is the application of chemistry in agriculture field. Next one is application of clothing, chemistry in clothing. So what are the applications of chemistry in clothing? We know that earlier or the ancient people, they were using these natural fibers to make the clothes. Natural fibers means what? Wool will be there, jute will be there, coal will be there. Okay, so cotton will be there. So these things are the natural fibers, and nowadays we know that these natural fibers are not a huge amount we cannot get. So we have invented the chemical fibers or human made fibers we have invented, and using human made fibers we are using cotton. This means another type of cotton we are using, rayon we will be using, polyester we will be using. So these are the applications of chemistry in clothing. And you know that nowadays a large number of varieties of dresses are there, very soft materials are there. So these things are from the chemical fibers. Then next one is in the department of food. In the department of food, how we are using chemistry. And you are familiar with even sweets to potato chips, or the drinking waters, or the soft drinks, to the extent the jams are there, many things are there. Is it not? How these things are preserved for a long time? If there are packet food is available, in order to get good taste and smell, the companies are using chemical compounds to give more smell and more taste. The next one is that this packet food will not be sold out in one day. Is it not? So what they will do? They will be adding some preservatives to store these food items for a long time without any damage. So what are the preservatives they are using, such as sodium benzoate or sodium metabisulfate and other are used for the preservation of food. And artificial color will be there, artificial smell will be there, artificial taste will be there. All these are applications of chemistry in food. Then, when the application of the smell and taste, we are taking this maza fruity, etc. Apple drinks are there. So there, as it is maza, you know that the smell of the mango is there, the taste of mango is there, and it will be kept in the refrigerator for 1 year or so. It will not be spoiled too. So artificial taste is giving, artificial color is giving, and artificial things are preservatives are used in order to preserve that particular thing for a long time. Then next one is building materials. What are the building materials? Without a cement, are you able to build a home now? No. So cement. Then what you will use? Brick you will be using, mortar you will be using, steel you will be using, iron bar you will be using, glasses you will be using. So these all organic fabrications are there. So upward thing is the applications of chemistry in building materials. The next one is, fifth one is useful materials. What are the useful materials? What do you mean by useful material? Suppose you are going and entering into a stationery shop. In stationery shop you can see hundreds of items there. Maybe vessels will be there, different shapes, different materials, or different quality, or the floor carpet is there. Then what is there? Many things: pencil, pen, rubber, instrument box. These things are related to a student, and others to the house. So broom is there, wiper is there, vessels in the kitchen, or the materials in our hall. Many things will be found in the stationery shop, and these things are useful materials. And these useful materials are taken from synthetic rubber, synthetic plastic, synthetic fiber, and synthetic dyes. And these have been developed from the applications of chemistry. Okay. Then one of the important field is medicinal field. Medicines. We are using chemistry in medicines, right? Okay, when you are getting fever, suddenly you will have paracetamol tablets. How this is made? It is a combination of some chemicals. Then aspirin tablets are there, penicillin is there, then Dettol is there, and now we are suffering from the pandemic COVID-19. We need sanitizers to sanitize our hands. It's also made from chemistry only. And now the main thing is that in order to finding the medicines, we are able to extend our human lifespan, or we are able to come out of a dreadful disease. Even COVID-19 is there. Earlier, when it was started the last year, there was no medicine for that one. Now, the vaccines are there. Covaxin is there, Covishield is there. Actually, this is made from where? Chemistry laboratories are there. From chemistry to chemical laboratories only these drugs and medicines are made. And this is the important application of chemistry. And if you are suffering from a severe disease also, we are able to come out of that one using these medicines. So in one way we can say that the lifespan can be increased by medicines, good medicines. Then next one is metals and alloys. Okay, metals and alloys. This metals and alloys, gold ornaments you might have seen. It doesn't mean that we are getting gold as an ornament from the earth. No, it will be just like a stone piece. You just imagine that you are like this one stone piece and putting in a chain. You are just putting that one on your neck. Will it be beautiful? Will it be attractive? No. So what they will do? They will be taking this stone piece and they will be increasing the temperature, and it will melt, and what will happen? It will be given to the special design which is attractive, and it will become an ornament, and we will be able to wear that one. Silver also same. Copper wire, the wiring you might have seen copper wires. We will not be able to use that one very thick wires. We cannot use. We need very thin wires. So what they will do? They will be increasing the temperature, and they will come with the appropriate size. And alloys means what? Alloys means a combination of one or two or more metals. That is called alloys. That is also an applications of chemistry. Then again, the eighth one is important one is cosmetics and other consumer products. Cosmetics, you are very familiar with that one, right? Where before you are coming to the school and what you will do. Both boys and girls, sometimes little more girls, but they will be spending half an hour in front of mirror. They will put some powder, they will put some cream, they will put some lipstick or the lip balm we will be using. Is it now? So all these are product of chemistry. All these are applications of chemistry. So powder is there, the talcum powder is there. Then what else? Sprays are there, lipsticks are there, body lotions are there, hair gels are there. All these cosmetic items are the product of chemistry, and this is developed in a chemical laboratory. And this is developed in a chemistry laboratory. Then, ninth one is the petroleum products. Petroleum products doesn't mean that only petrol. This petrol, oil and petrol, you know that is dipped from the very deep of the earth. And these petroleum products such as petrol, diesel, kerosene, LPG cylinders, then some amount of drugs, wax, etc. are the products of petroleum products. And these petroleum products actually is treated in chemically, they are treated and they are purified, and that's what we are using. Are you able to think the world without diesel and petrol? Or are you able to, nowadays, are you able to think a life without the LPG cylinders? So these are very important, and these are the applications of chemistry. Then next one is that applications of chemistry in the field of electronics. We know that electronics mainly is coming under the branch of physics, but electronics nowadays we know that solar panels. So solar energy is very familiar nowadays. Even our school we are running with the solar panels right now. Actually, the solar panels is made from two elements, silicon and germanium, and this silicon and germanium is from chemistry, and we know solar panel using the glass they need, and panel scheme for the aluminum covering is there. All these are developed by the chemistry. Okay, so these are the general trend categories we have explained. There are much more. When we are looking at the life of a person in one day, the time when that person is getting up to the next night when he is going to bed, up to then he is using many applications of chemistry. And while sleeping also we need electricity, we need fan, we need so and so. That also a part of chemistry or a part of science. Okay, so today's class, this much we will discuss applications of chemistry. You have to take page number 6 and 7. There will be the content is given. You may read that one properly, and back side of your textbook there are some exercises and study questions which is related to this one. You may complete in your chemistry hobby. And once again, what are the applications, main applications of chemistry? Agriculture, fertilizers, pesticides, insecticides, etc. Clothing, the chemical fibers we are using, food, artificial smell, artificial taste, and preservatives, building materials, cement, iron, glass, etc. Then useful materials, all the stationary items. Then medicines, paracetamol, oral tablet, aspirin tablets, penicillin, vaccine, Covishield vaccine, sanitizers, etc. Then metals and alloys, gold, copper, aluminium, etc. Then cosmetics, powder, lipstick, the body creams, hair gel, etc. Then petroleum products, diesel, petrol, LPG, some wax, etc. and electronics. They are using silicon and germanium in order to make the solar cells and all. Okay,